The battle over President Donald Trump's new tariffs is escalating. And leading the legal challenge is California PhilAm Attorney General Rob Bonta. Len Almaden Thornhill reports.
China, first row. China.
May bagong legal battle laban sa mga bagong tariffs ni President Donald Trump. 25 U.S. states sa pangunguna ni Filipino-American California Attorney General Rob Bonta ang nagsampa ng kaso. Sinasabi nilang illegal ang bagong tariffs sa mahigit 80 countries, kabilang ang Pilipinas.
Ang argument nila, ginamit lang daw ang issue ng forced labor para maibalik ang mga tariffs na nahinto na noon ng korte.
12.5% ang rate sa ilang Philippine exports. Hindi lang ang Pilipinas ang apektado, kasama rin ang ilang major economies sa Southeast Asia. Pero magkakaiba ang tariff rates. Ayon sa mga analysts, bahagi ito ng mas malawak na trade strategy ng Trump administration.
I really do think that this is a key part of the Trump administration's policy in Asia. It's a continuation of the Liberation Day policies that were struck down by the Supreme Court. The Trump administration is trying to eliminate trade deficits, which it thinks are a key threat to the integrity of the economy, right? And so it's been targeting economies like Vietnam and the Philippines as part of its strategy economically.
Electronics at semiconductors ang pinakamalaking exports ng Pilipinas sa US. Kasama rin ang machinery, coconut oil, medical equipment at garments. Habang tuloy ang mga negotiations at mga legal challenges dito sa US, binabantayan din kung paano ito makakaapekto sa US-Philippines relationship.
I don't imagine that these tariffs will be a significant detriment to the US-Philippines relationship. The US-Philippines partnership has actually been doing quite well compared to other different relationships of the United States. The Philippines was spared of foreign funding freezes, for instance, and the administration has really valued engagement with the Philippines, most notably through the new Pax Silica initiative, right? Certainly, this is contentious in the Philippines, given that non-U.S. allies like Malaysia and Indonesia, for instance, got lower rates than the Philippines, which creates a little bit of tension. Why did our neighbors get better treatment than us when we're a U.S. ally?
Bago ang demanda ng 25 states, may nauna ng kaso mula sa mga maliliit na U.S. businesses. Pareho ang argument nila. Wala daw legal na basihan para ibalik ang mga tariffs na dati nang ipinatigil ng korte. Ngayon, nasa korte na kung ano ang susunod na mangyayari sa mga bagong tariffs. Para sa Agenda North America, Len Almaden Thornhill, Bilyonaryo News Channel.